Picked up by the Patriots and Van Noy.
Kittle with a straight arm, still on his feet.
Now throws, end zone, caught and touchdown.
Incredible play, 35-yard touchdown. And intercepted.
The ball is not free. Houston is taken over. It is caught. Tyreek Hill.
Diggs, he's got it. Touchdown.
Fumble recovered by the Bears. Davis lost it.
It's Lee Smith for the touchdown. And Prescott's in for the touchdown.
Makes a move and gets in the end zone.
There's a touchdown signal for the Lions.
Brissett's going to take it himself into the end zone.
Intercepted by the former Viking.
And Garoppolo loses the ball, and it's picked up by Corey Littleton.
21-yard touchdown run by the quarterback, Lamar Jackson.
Darian Conley picks it off.
And that's Devin Bush who's going to go into the end zone.
And it is picked off. Justin Simmons. And that is complete. That is D.D. Westbrook.
To the end zone, that's caught for the touchdown. And yes, they're saying that's a catch as he rolls out of bounds.
And it's intercepted. Kevin Byard takes it away.
Anderson's out there. This is going to go the distance.
Golden Tate is going to go for the touchdown.
A touchdown for David Johnson. And into the end zone goes Devontae Freeman.
That is exactly what Tampa needed.
Brandon Wilson, 92 yards.
Throwing wide open. Touchdown McLaurin. Touchdown. Devontae Parker.